The Airbus A380 super jumbo jet first hit the skies in 2005 and officially entered service 2 years later in 2007. Since then, it has flown over 800,000 trips, transporting over 300 million passengers. Welcome to another insightful episode of TechStop TV. In this video, we will be looking at how Airbus designed the A380 by first examining its interior design and then its aerodynamic features, which are key for reducing fuel compensation and some of the interesting facts that make this airliner special. Join us as we put this gigantic bird under the magnifying glass. Airbus built the A380 in response to a need from airline operators who were struggling with seat capacity on their planes. The idea was to offer more seating space with the same range of services and comfort. But what is it like to fly in one of these engineering phenomena? How luxurious is life inside the Airbus A380? What makes the A380 special? By the time you are done watching this video, you will have all the answers you seek. Flying in the Airbus A380 will give you a similar experience as spending a night in Buckingham Palace or lodging in any of the world's most luxurious 7-star hotels. A quick glance reveals that the A380's cockpit is crammed with several automation buttons and all the necessary technological amenities to ensure a smooth ride, including navigation and engineering data instruments, air conditioning, communications equipment, joystick and other controls for directing engine thrust, ergonomic seats, and ample space to keep pilots comfortable during the long flights. The A380 is an enormous figure in the sky and on the runway, measuring 73 metres in length and 24 metres in height. It is nevertheless agile and swift for a plane of its size. It carries more passengers, travels further, and flies higher than any other commercial airline currently in service, with a range of up to 15,700 kilometres. The Airbus A380 has numerous physical and technologically innovative features to admire. The electronic library is one of them, as it helps the pilot and flight crew maintain better documentation. Another equally important trait we found is the window, which is completely built to allow more natural light during the day. A special lighting system is also in place to alter the cabin's mood when necessary. Its massive double-deck layout provides airline operators with enough room to accommodate sophisticated onboard amenities, including shower spa, bars, executive lounges, and private suites. The cabin is spacious and can be divided into various seating classes depending on the carrier, such as first class, business class, premium economy, and economy class seats. On average, the Airbus A380 costs in excess of $400 million. But that's not a problem for industry giants like British Airways and Emirates, who run a fleet of these jumbo jets. Korean Air. The A380 economy class in Korean Air comes with adjustable chairs that can recline to 118 degrees, and they have been installed, providing guests with a tailored feeling of comfort. A customizable 10.6-inch screen and USB ports are also accessible. The Prestige package adds a 180-degree full reclining chair that can be adjusted with the touch of a button, as well as a 15.4-inch screen. The first class cabin has all the features of the aforementioned two classes, with an extra touch of luxury to go with it, offering improved privacy, spacious flatbed seats, and ample storage space. British Airways. Passengers on any of the British Airways A380 flights will be spoilt for choice, with 4 seating classes to choose from. Choice of First, Club World, World Travel Plus, and World Traveller. The economy class, or World Traveller as it's called within the confines of British Airways, offers a variety of family-friendly amenities, including priority boarding for families with children and infants to make the onboarding process go more smoothly. For the Premium Economy class, or World Traveller Plus class, passengers are entitled to wider seats and more legroom, as well as a personal infotainment system and noise-cancelling headphones. In addition, you will get 2 delectable meals and access to complimentary bar service, which includes unique cocktails or mocktails for non-alcoholics. Club World seats on British Airways are perfect for travellers who need to work, relax, or sleep during their flight. It combines all of the benefits of the World Traveller and World Traveller Plus packages, plus a slew of extra perks. The all-in-one ergonomic armchair can be quickly transformed into a desk or a compact bed, providing maximum comfort and privacy. Upon boarding, you will be given a pre-departure drink, a bottle of water, and an amenity kit. The first class offers a completely different level of luxury and comfort. This is immediately noticeable even before you get on board with the food service at the airline's elite lounge. Once you get on board, the elegance of your private spacious suite and dedicated service from crew members immediately traps your attention. Now it's time to relax and await your glass of the premium Laurent Perrier Grand Cecil Champagne. Furthermore, there's also a private wardrobe, amenity kit, storage bin, headphones, reading items, and a personalised infotainment system with map functions. Emirates. Emirates take luxury to a new level with all of its packages. The economy class features a 343 seat configuration with adequate headroom and legroom. The chairs include adjustable headrests that may be moved up and down as well as sideways. You'll also get a small tray table, a responsive display screen, charging connections, and some delicious food selections. The premium economy cabin is comfy enough to house royalties. In this class, there are 52 grand ergonomic seats with cream-coloured anti-stain leather that are arranged in a 2-4-2 layout. The seats are totally configurable with adjustable head and leg rests. Also available are electronic blinds, a 13.3-inch HD infotainment system with over 4,500 channels, USB charging outlets, and an in-arm table for food, cocktails and mocktails. You might want to tighten your seatbelt because flying in an Emirates A380 business class cabin will most likely blow you away. It's lush, it's lavish, it's the height of premium comfort. The lounge is luxurious and the food is, of course, excellent, as it should be. But the real luxury is experienced when you get on board. As part of the amenity service, you'll get a mask, hand sanitizer and hot towel. Added to that are a detachable information tablet, a personalised minibar, charging ports, seats and light control, storage bins and tray table. Now, onto the most special package of them all, Emirates A380 Luxurious First Class Bliss, a mini heaven built inside one of the world's largest airplanes. From the complimentary chauffeur service to the glamorous lounge and the exquisite suite that offers premium selection, this package is the true definition of luxury. To spoil you even further, you'll receive an amenity kit that contains slippers, headphones, pajamas, and a range of Italian luxury Bulgari products. And just in case you do not like the juice, Arabic dates or coffee placed in your suite, or maybe you crave something different, the onboard lounge is there for you. You can feed your eyes with its yacht-inspired design as you quench your taste. Yeah, we know the A380 is quite big. It weighs 1.2 million pounds, which is equivalent to the mass of 104 male Asian elephants. But what makes it different from other aircraft? The A380 is not your conventional airplane. It's more like a massive cruise ship with wingspans, sailing through the clouds at a cruising height of 43,100 feet. This aircraft offers an unmatched level of passenger comfort with best in-class cabin space. Passengers can experience the ultimate luxury of the A380's ergonomic cabin due to its lavish interior design and reduced noise level. The A380 is either fitted with 4 Rolls-Royce Trent 900s or General Electric Engine Alliance GP7200 powertrains, which enable it to complete a 180-degree turn within a width of 56.5 metres and reach a maximum travelling speed of over 700 miles per hour. The double deck in an A380 can house 853 passengers split between the lower and upper deck, 538 and 315 seats respectively. Both decks are linked by a central double-width staircase, with the latter extending along the entire length of the fuselage. 8 water tanks are fitted into the belly of the aircraft, while 3 hydraulic fluid reservoir tanks serve the A380's hydraulic system. This system helps the pilot to operate the moving parts of the plane, such as the 22-wheel landing gear, nose-wheel steering and parking brakes. A total of 22 crew members work shifts to offer exceptional in-flight service to passengers. Currently, only 140 airports have the capacity to land this bulky airship. Many commercial airplanes have been crafted in the past. Many more will be built in the coming years, but very few will be able to match or surpass the capabilities and sheer luxury offered by the Airbus A380. Sadly, Airbus announced it would quit production of the A380 in 2021 owing to poor sales. But thankfully, the European aircraft manufacturer will maintain support for the A380, ensuring that the wide-body aircraft will continue to grace the skies for many years to come. Having toured the Airbus A380 with us, what fascinates you the most about this gigantic airline? Thanks for your joining in as always. We look forward to doing this with you again in the next episode. Meanwhile, you might want to check out this video on China's race to superpower through AI.